yellow inside. Can you guess that? Huh? Oh! It's a book. Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Guess what I'm holding? We have another package. Let's see what it's inside. So Nani already got it for me, but it's just a hole. Look at the tape. I'm gonna guess this is another one. Here. Hard, guys. It's like shape. Do you guess it's like the shape it is? I'm gonna zoom this. I don't know what is this. I'm gonna go need help from Nanay. I need help from Nanay.
A few moments later.
Okay, Nanay, help me out with. It's how a yellow inside. Can you guess that? Huh? Oh! It's a book. Is it another from Lankybox? Oh, wait. Wait, what? I see a tape. Is this? What is it? Is it Foxy? Guys, I'm gonna surprise you. It's a little bit closer, guys. I need again from help. Nanay's.
A few moments later.
Guys, look at this. There's a purple thing inside. It's Foxy! It's baby Foxy! Look at this, guys. Look at the face, guys. Aww. Hello, everybody. I am baby Foxy. Monkey, this is adorable. You need to sit. Oh, he just fell out. Monkey, meet your friend, baby Foxy. Hello. Hello there. Hello. What is your name? It's baby Foxy. I got so many stuffed toys. Let's take out the box of Foxy. Oh! He don't have ears. Pretend he have ears. Oh! Let's put it. Oh, can I put it in monkey? I thought. Oh, I can. Because it will be big. Except baby Foxy is on it. They made his ear realistic. Ear is super realistic. Guys, if you remember, I unboxed some more Lankybox. Go back and then watch that video. That was pretty cool. It's like I got the magic mug with box in it, and then with me too. It's pretty cool, guys. Aww. I never got the plushie before. This is my first time. This is baby plushie. When Foxy was born, look at his teeth. Her teeth is like one only. Just now I say her, so I believe Foxy is a girl. because he's cute. That's why I order him. And then when Foxy grow up, he have a double tooth in it. That's so funny. And baby Foxy. So I'm gonna brought baby shark in it. Don't worry, guys. It's not Baba yet. I brought baby fox and then baby shark. Wow! It's like baby Foxy. But except it's baby fox. Let's do it. My name is a baby too. It starts with a B. Ha ha ha, it's baby shark. My name is baby fox. It's like Foxy when he grew up. Wait, what? You know Foxy? Yes, because we watched some Lankybox. Wow! Yay, 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 yay. Baby Fox have a friend. Wait. Boo, boo, boo. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching unboxing Baby Foxy, the cute fox. Say goodbye, Baby Foxy. My paws. It's not paws. Wait. Bye, guys. Click that notification button and then subscribe button and then like button. And bye, guys. See you on the next vlog. Or click in the screen to my new vlogs. And see you next week. Next time. Bye, guys. Huh? Sweetheart. Kahit di ko na Foxy to, hindi nyo lang kita kasi nakabackwards yung box niya. Let's